Hello again and welcome to the Village Girls channel, or just because I taught you courtesy words, I'm going to tell you wemweka. Nidakunyitoge nitafarera ino ya kairetu ga gicagi. Kairetu ga gicagi again means the village girl. But my name is Rebecca Wanjiru. It's just that I live in the village and my friends call me the village girl. Now let's continue with our lesson. This is the second part of the common phrases series, and the second one is common phrases. Yeah, so some of the common phrases that we'll be looking at is I want, I need, etc. But this will be the final part of now the common phrases, because we said it's a series, but let's just say it's a mini series. Now we are going to start with I want. I want in Kikuyu we say dereda. Dereda. For example, you might want to say I want to teach. Like me, I want to teach, and so I will say dereda guthomithia. Dereda guthomithia. So teaching is guthomithia, and for you, because you're learning, you would say Direda guthoma. I want to learn. I want to learn. Direda guthoma. Now, when it comes to I need, because I want and I need are different in Kikuyu. So I need is dera fatara. Okay, dera fatara. I need. For example, you might say I need a book. I need a book. So we'll say dera fatara ifuku, or you can just start with ne dera fatara ifuku. Ne dera fatara ifuku. I need a book. Now next is I feel or I hear. I feel or I hear. Now I feel or I hear in Kikuyu is the same thing, because now we say deraigua. Deraigua or ne deraigua. You can start with ne deraigua. So deraigua or ne deraigua. So in a sentence, if you wanted to say I feel good, I feel good, na la 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 la, na 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 da da da. So I feel good. You say deraigua wega. Oh damn, sorry about that. So I feel good. So I feel good. We say deraigua wega, or you can say ne deraigua wega. Deraigua wega or ne deraigua wega. Now I hear. You can say, oh, I'm gonna give an example with what I am hearing right now. I hear noise because I literally can hear all the noise going on around me or around the house. So I hear noise. Now we say deraigua inegene or nederaigua inegene. Okay, I feel or I hear is nederaigua or deraigua. Okay, right. Now next, okay, now before I need to tell you something. When you're learning a new language, it is very important to learn the common phrases, because those are the ones that make a conversation. For example, if you want to do some small talk, so the common phrases will help you do that. Now the next one is I'm hungry. I'm hungry is a very common phrase because you might be in a group of people and then someone said I'm hungry, right? Because they want to go get a bite, or they ask you to go out and get a bite with them. So we are going to say, let's just say I'm hungry. I'm hungry in Kikuyu is demuhotu. Demuhotu. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Demuhotu. And the other one is I'm thirsty, which now we say demonyotu. Demonyotu. I am thirsty. Okay. Next is I love or I like. I love or I like. So in Kikuyu they mean the same. Okay. So I love is nenyedete. I like is nenyedete, or you don't have to put the name. You can say nyedete. So I can say I love you because you're my student. I love you so much. So I say, okay, when I send it, I love you. You now, I'll have to now add the what, I don't know, because I'll say, I won't say nenye detewe, but when you're learning, it's okay for you to say nenye detewe, because where is you. Remember when we were learning pronouns, we said that you is where. So for you, it's okay to say nenye detewe, but we say negwe dete now to reduce all that, you know, because it's a long, nenye detewe, it's a very long sentence. But you can just use that sentence in one word. Negwedete. Negwedete. So I love you so much. I'll say negwedete muno. Negwedete muno. Now I can say I like cooking. I like cooking. Okay, I don't know. I love cooking. So you can say nenyedete koruga. Nenyedete koruga, or I love traveling, or I like traveling. Any of those, as long as you're using the I like or I love, you say nenyedete. Okay, nenyedete. Because even if I wanted to say or if you wanted to say that you love someone else, like a third person, so you might want to say nenyedete Shiro. I love Shiro. Me, I love Shiro. Nenyedete Shiro. Okay, so for that person, you are allowed to say nenyedete ngania. Ngania, by the way, in Kikuyu is when we say, you know, that person, you don't want to mention that person, so you say ngania. Okay, ngania, ngania na ngania. So and so, ngania na ngania, so and so. Next is I'm going to, or I'm going. I'm going, and I think I mentioned this earlier. We say I'm going is dadie or nedadie. Dadie or nedadie. For example, but nedadie means now I am going. For example, I'm going to the shop. You say nedadie duka or dadie duka. It's still the same. So you can say dadie or nedadie. Dadie duka or I am going or nedadie duka. Sorry. Okay, now again, I don't want to do very long videos, so I will now do the last one, which means I am happy. I am happy. We'll say demukenu. Demukenu. Okay, demukenu. But now, if you wanted to say I am a happy person, you say demodo mukenu. Demodo mukenu. As long as now you know what you mean. Okay, you know that what you mean is you are happy. So today I'm so happy because after a very long time I got to teach you something else, something new, something interesting. So I'm so happy. And that concludes our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one because we're going to learn so many things. Oh, by the way, follow me on TikTok. Village Girl Zero. Yes, Village Girl Zero. Follow me. I'll follow back, and let's have fun because I do so many Kikuyu stuff there. You can also follow me on Instagram, the Village Girl, or 10 Mwaura. Yes, so see you on the next lesson. Bye. Oh, sorry. Tigwawega.